All right, guys, this is a video about my wife's car. We've had it for a couple of years now, and there's one thing that has really been bugging me ever since we got it, and that's down here on the wheels. This is a used car, and you can see here that the lug nuts are in really bad shape. They're all beat up, and it goes all the way around the car. And you can see here's another set. They're all kind of rusty looking and beat up. So what I've done is I've bought some new lug nuts. I've got right here, got a whole set of them. So I'm gonna replace these and fix what bugs. Okay, now you can see I've replaced one set on one of the wheels so far, and you can see how they look a whole lot better. And right here is the box. I took the ones I just took off and put them in the box beside the new ones so you could see the difference. I think it's gonna be a whole lot better, big improvement. So I've fixed what bugs me.